plug in and turn on the baking unit. The LED readout will begin to flash. Allow the unit to reach its preset baseline temperature. This takes approximately 18 minutes. 3 short beeps will sound and the LED will stop flashing. To increase the bake time, press and hold the plus button located below the LED readout. To decrease the bake time, press and hold the minus button located below the LED readout. With either the plus or minus button pressed, press the start-stop button located below the LED readout. Release the start-stop button when the desired bake time is reached.